The Beauty Business Summit, October 4th, 2022, is finally approaching. And it's live in person in St. Petersburg, Florida. So you better be there. I mean, listen, the virtual experience was fine for COVID, but we lost the human connection. We lost learning. We lost just a human experience. Well, it's coming back. And I invite you to be there on October 4th. We get to hang out. I will teach you everything I know about Profit First. And if you have a Profit First book, make sure you bring it so I can sign it. I commit to making this a transformative experience for you. We're gonna bring permanent profitability to your business, but you gotta be there. So if you haven't signed up yet, sign up right now at beautybusinesssummit.org. That's beautybusinesssummit.org. And I'll see you in person October 4th.